Welcome home. Beautifully maintained 5-bed, 4-bath, 3-car garage home in gated community. Enter into a foyer on first floor overlooked by an open semicircular stairway which embraces a spacious family room and moderately spaced combined formal dining and living room. A sight line straight through the family room to 3 sliding pocket glass doors which opens to the saltwater pool enclosed with a screen-covered lanai. New floors installed on the first floor. The spacious eat-in gourmet kitchen features double ovens, granite countertops, tiled backsplash, large walk-in pantry, workstation and spacious center island. All GE profile appliances, bisque. An arch passageway leads from the family room to a bedroom/office and pool bath. Adjacent to the bedroom is your utility room with washer and dryer. On the second floor, steps lead right to a large master suite, also comfortable for lounging. The large suite's private bath includes dual vanities, newly installed glass enclosed shower, soaker tub, 2 spacious walk-in closets. Semicircular walkway leads to 3 additional bedrooms and bonus media room. One of the bedrooms upstairs has private bath and the other 2 bedrooms shared a bath. The home is located within a very quiet neighborhood, a subdivision of only 122 homes, and close to restaurants, shops, and entertainment. Less than 6 miles from the 170